Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Nick Ray from Phandroid, and today we are doing an unboxing of the new Google Pixel 4 XL. Now, we already got our hands on the regular Pixel 4 right after the launch event earlier this week, but we thought we'd do a quick unboxing to show you what to expect from the device when you purchase it. So with that, let's get started. Well, to start things off, this is the regular Pixel 4 that we got right after the launch event earlier this week. We got the white version, or clearly white as the official name is. We are hoping that this one here is going to be the oh so orange, but let's set this phone aside. This is the box for the first one we received. Not sure if this is the retail box or if this one's going to be, but let's find out. So opening this up, a nice P4 on the top, and that is basically it. The Pixel 4 XL. No indication as to color or specifications, so I'm going to assume that this one on the left is more representative of what the retail packaging is going to be for the Pixel 4. There's the image of the phone on the back, information about the device there. So that looks like it's going to be more of the retail packaging, but what's inside here should be close to that as well. And it looks like we have a case here as well. This one here is sealed up, while the phone itself is not. So they've given us the gray with the orange accent case. And these cases here typically go for about $40 directly from Google. Sometimes you can pick them up a little bit cheaper on eBay, but at retail from Verizon and T-Mobile, they're likely going to be $40 as well. So let's set that to the side and take a look at what's inside the box. Dropping things already. And they gave us another clearly white model, which is perfectly fine. We do really like the orange accent button on the side, and the volume rocker and the power button do feel really good. So let's tear off this plastic here, if we can. And turn the phone on. As far as specifications go, the Pixel 4 XL features mainly everything that the regular Pixel 4 does. It's running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor on the inside. The main difference comes down, of course, to screen size and resolution, and then the battery size on the inside. The XL has a 3700 milliamp hour battery, while the regular one has a 2800 milliamp hour battery, which in day one of use, it was pretty disappointing. That being said, we did do a lot of photo uploading and testing with the device, but we got about 4.5 hours of screen on time over the course of 9.5 hours. So far in day two, things are going a lot better, but we're gonna see what the XL can do after a full days of use. Two cameras on the back, a 12 megapixel and a 16 megapixel. The 12 megapixel is the standard, and 16 megapixel is a 2x telephoto. There is a dual tone LED flash, but Google is hoping that you never actually have to use it, and then a laser autofocus sensor there. As far as the setup process goes, we've done it with this device here already. The only thing that's different or unique is the inclusion of face unlock, so that you can set that up during the setup process. But as far as other features go, you can't really see it here, but there's just one front-facing camera on the device, and then there is also a time of flight camera up front, and then the solely radar chip, which allows the phone or enables the phone's motion sense capabilities, which allows you to swipe your hand over the screen to change songs or mute an alarm, things like that. As of right now, it doesn't feel fully baked. It could be that there might be another software update that's coming within the next week or so before the launch of the device to really make it that a lot better. It doesn't seem to work all of the time, which is a little bit disappointing. As far as other features go, you do have speakers on the bottom. This here seems to be just a vent. The speakers here on this other side. A USB-C port. There is no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, but this acts as one speaker and then another one up here, so you do get stereo speakers even though they're not front firing anymore. And then along the edge you do have a couple different microphone holes. The SIM card slot right here. It is a single SIM device, no micro SD card slot. And that's pretty much it for the hardware itself. But let's see what else is inside the box here. SIM ejection tool, Pixel user guide, and warranty information as usual. And then you get your charging brick here with a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then a dongle here to connect USB-A to USB-C if you're transferring data from another phone. You can plug this in to the other device directly to get that data sorted out. So let's check out the case here. We played around with this at the launch event. They feel really nice. As far as the texture goes, they've changed it a little bit from what it was last year. It's not as smooth or refined. It's a little bit rougher, but I actually think it feels a little bit nicer. Hopefully it holds up a little bit better than the previous ones did, since they did get really dirty over the first month or two. I had to wash mine multiple times, but it never really comes clean. So hopefully they have a nice coating on there to keep dust and dirt and grime away from it so that you can wash it off and it doesn't stain it permanently. So that's our quick look at the Pixel 4 XL and right next to the Pixel 4. Hopefully battery life on this larger one is going to be a lot better, but so far day 2 with this device, things are going pretty good. So hoping to get at least 5.5 to 6 hours of screen on time and make it through a full day. But this one here on the right hand side definitely should. Well, that's going to do it for a quick unboxing of the Pixel 4 XL. We do have our full review coming up within the next couple days, so make sure you subscribe to the Phandroid channel and hit that bell icon below if you want to get a notification as soon as the review is online. We've got a little bit of a mess to clean up here now, so thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.